Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I bring a new project for you that's named Baby WLFI. I will tell each and everything about this project, so don't skip any part of this video. And if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification of my new uploading videos. So friends, you can join this project from the link I have given in the description. As you press on the link, you will get the interface of the project like this. So you can see here is the tokenomics roadmap, partners, white paper, telegram, total link is given. I will tell each and everything about this. Baby WLFI, your gateway to a liberated financial future. Why Baby WLFI? Discover Baby WLFI, the latest innovation from World Liberty Financial, combining secure economies with a strong focus on community engagement. Baby WLFI offers a pathway to financial freedom and growth, experience a new standard in safety and transparency while joining the thriving ecosystem dedicated to your financial success. So you can see here is the address is given. You can buy this token from this address, and here is the white paper. I will tell about the white paper. Welcome to the Baby WLFI. The Baby WLFI token white paper introduces a new concept of financial freedom, emphasizing security, community support, and transparency with no dreams tokens reserved. The project is committed to fairness and decentralization. It boosts a massive active community that play a extensive marketing plans and strategic listing on numerous centralized exchanges. AM to drive plans and strategic listing on numerous centralized exchanges aims to drive mass adoption. Backed by a team to professional, Baby WFI is built to offer a secure and promising financial ecosystem, combining innovative features with strong community and professional support. So you can see here is the option of buy now. Now press on buy. To buy now, first of all you have to connect your wallet, and the price of Baby WLFI is 0.001773, and market cap is 177.51k and liquidity 50.63k and holders 2.1k. Total cap is 177.51k, 24 of volume 24.16k. Total supply is 1 million, and more about this is given here. You can see here is the price, or you can check out this for your informations. And token descriptions. Baby WLFI, your gateway to liberated financial future. Safe and updated contract, low tax, 5% renounced contract after launches. So if you have any question about this project, you can ask easily. More about this our vision: to become a globally trusted cryptocurrency that empowers individuals with financial freedom through a secure, decentralized, and community-driven ecosystem. Baby WLFI envision a future with financial barriers are removed, providing equal access to innovative financial tools and opportunities, reshaping the global financial landscape with transparency and inclusions. And our mission is to provide a secure, fair, and innovative financial platform that prioritizes community interest, driving mass adoption through strategic partnership and market, and promotes long-term growth and trust without compromising transparency or decentralization through continuous development and professional leadership. We aim to make Baby WLFI a cornerstone of the new financial era. Here is the phases, and in phase 1, establishing the website and social community channels, conducting or analyzing market cap by paper, developing initializing market companions to attract potential investors, hosting AMS to engage with the community, smart contract implementing, conducting a contract audit of security and reliability. Pixel pre-sale 16 September 2024. Pancakes were launched 17 September 2024. In phase 2, collaborating with influencers and key opinion leaders in the crypto spaces to expand and reach, establishing partnership with other meme projects, fostering cross promotion and collaborative initiative. Dex platform of trending CMCCG's listing, organizing community events, contests, and gives a way to inactivity participate and attract new members. 5,000 plus holders. In phase 3, applying for exchanges, develop and launch Baby WLFI tokens, organize more community events, and give way to enhance holders and experience. 10,000 plus holders. In phase 4, focusing on expanding Baby WLFI tokens presence in the key global markets, establishing local communities and launching specific community channels, collaborating with global influencers, media outlets, and industries association to build trust and credibility, developing strategic partnerships with established projects or organizations in the target market. Continuous improve their experience and optimize the token's utility to attract a broad user basis. 20,000 plus holders. So here is the Baby WLFI feature. Safe tokenomics. Baby WLFI employs as well structured tokenomics model designed to ensure stability and sustainability by implementing mechanisms such as liquidity locking and transaction tax redistribution. Baby WLFI aims to protect investor and enhance long-term value. Community engagements. We prioritize a strong, active community. Baby WL5 fosters engagement through regular updates, open communication channels, and interactive events. Our community-driven approach allows holders to have any say in the project future and build a vibrant support network. Security. Security is the top priority with Baby WLFI. Our token is built on secure blockchains BSC infrastructures with comprehensive auditing process to prevent vulnerabilities. We implement advanced security protocols to safeguard against potential threats and ensure that your assets are protected. And freedom. Baby WLFI is designed to provide users with new opportunities for financial independence by reversing decentralized finance principle. Our token helps users manage and grow their assets with greater control and favor barriers. Growth. Our token is built for long-term growth with strategic partnership, innovation features, and focus on scalability. Baby WLFI is possible to expand its ecosystem and value. We are committed to continuous developing and enhancement to maximize potential return for our community. So here is the faces and more about this our partners. Here is the some partners of this project like PinkCell, Dex, Fuse, Dextrose, PancakeSwap, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Dex Scanners, PooCoin. So here is the official telegram of this project. You must have to join it to get all the news and updates about this project. Baby WLFI Love on PCS 1735 members, in which 514 are online, and here is the Twitter. You must also have to join it to get all the updates about this project. So friends, I have told each and everything about this project. I hope you will like this. So meet in the next video. Take yourself and thanks.